Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. Finally, it's turkey time. I've been promising this video for over 2 weeks, but it's finally coming. This is part 1. We're about to make the brine for the turkey, so let's get into it. Alright, so I already have a pot of water boiling on the stove. I'm about to cut that off. In the back, we're going to start. We have dark brown sugar. To the right of that, we have kosher salt. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Right here, we have some Old Bay seasoning. Right here, we have some black peppercorns. And in this big old bowl right here, as you can see my previous video, this is probably actually part 2. I don't want to call it part 2, but this is probably part 2. I have a whole bowl of garlic that I sliced right down in half. I have some oranges, some lemons, and some apples. These are Honeycrisp apples because that's what was available to me. Also, that's going down into this brine are these herbs. So I have thyme, rosemary, and I believe, yeah, that's parsley. No, that's cilantro. So yeah, now I'm going to move over to the water. Alright, you guys, so I just cut my water off. You want to turn it completely off. We're going to start with the herbs and sugars first. So we're going to go down in here with all of our brown sugar. Woo, don't make a mess like me. That was stupid. You're also going to go down in here with your salt. I know it looks like tons and tons of salt, and it is, but your water has to be salty. We're also going to add this mixture to like a pound, 2 pounds, it's a 10 pound bag of ice. So you just got to count that, factor that in. You want to mix this up until all your sugar and salt is dissolved. And then we're going to start adding the oranges and the lemons and everybody else. Alright guys, so once you get that done, you want to start adding everybody else down in there. We're going to put the garlic. We're going to start squeezing the lemons and the oranges down in there. As I'm squeezing it in there, I'm just going to drop it in there. Remember to watch my previous video. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and call this part 2. Because I washed up everything in the first video. So you want to squeeze it all in there. All of it. All of them. Squeeze the juice first. Then drop them down in there. Squeeze. And drop. Alright, so now I'm just going to start adding my apples down in here. Oh, I forgot. Ooh, making a mess. I forgot to add my peppercorns, guys. Don't forget your peppercorns. You're also going to add all your herbs right down in there. Your apples. Let this sit for about 10 minutes or so it can cool down. It really doesn't matter if you let it cool or not because, like I said, we're about to pour this over tons and tons and tons of ice. So it's going to cool all the way down. Alright, we're done with that step. Y'all, I'm so annoyed about my turkey because when I opened it, half the skin is not even on there. So I'm a little annoyed about that. But after it's cooked, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the next video, I'll probably find some way to cover that up. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to... Oh, shit. Alright, I'm gonna break up the ice a bit and add my water. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna pour my water down in here. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna take the brine and pour it. Ooh, good shot. Down in there. Woo! I know y'all see that. I hope the camera was on. Did the camera catch that? Yeah, it sure did. You see how the color is like nice and, you know, nice. You want to stir this up, which I'm about to do. So you see, this is why we needed all of that salt. We need all that salt because it adds up. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to put my turkey down in here with the help of my pumpkin. Oh, shit. Okay. Alright, I got it down in there. You want to make sure it's fully submerged. If your brine doesn't fully submerge your turkey, then maybe add some more ice. I think mine is pretty good the way it's at. So yeah, so you're gonna let this sit overnight. It is now Saturday. What time is it? Saturday, 12:34 p.m. and I'll be making this turkey tomorrow morning around 9 a.m. So thank you guys for watching my video, and you don't need to put this in the refrigerator because the salt and the citrus will preserve your turkey. So you just put it in a cool, dry place and just let it sit. 24 hours only. If you're doing it longer, you need to continue adding ice.